Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cardless cash withdrawal on adcb, and it's really easy and simple, guys. So there's two ways, okay? So one is you do it through the mobile banking app where you can initiate a cardless cash withdrawal. So what you want to do, first things first, you want to log in to the adcb mobile banking app, and then what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to the transfer section. Then here, guys, what you're going to do is you need to select the cardless cash withdrawal tab, and then tap on initiate a withdrawal. Just fill in the recipient details, and you want to select the account for the withdrawal, okay, where you want to withdraw from, and then enter the cash withdrawal amount, enter the amount you want to withdraw in AED, and then, guys, just click on send, and your request will be processed within 24 hours. And you can also do this at an ADCB ATM. So what you want to do is you want to visit a ADCB ATM with a cash or check deposit machine, then select cardless cash from the options, and then you basically want to insert your Emirates ID and then follow the on-screen instructions. Just enter a valid phone number and the withdrawal code, and then you can collect your cash amount. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Guide's Archive, and I'll see you in the next one.